Hi, Miss. I'm going to answer the 8th question. Say several K sounds quickly, one after the other. K, 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 K. And fill it back to the tongue touching the living, the soft palate. Do the same with T. First with the tongue touching the alveolar ridge, then with the tongue tip touching the upper front teeth. Can you do the same thing with the tongue tip touching the core of the hard palate? The answer is not. So I'm going to say several quickly one after other. K. K, 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 K. Now T. T, 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 T. First with the tongue touching the alveolar ridge. T, 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 T. Now the tongue tip touching the upper front teeth. T, 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 T. Okay, can you do the same thing with the tongue tip touching the center of the hard palate? No, I can do it. That's it.